So my favorite panel right now is the Artefex 538. The 538 is technically called the all-in panel, but what's very important to me as a painter is the fact that this is oil-primed extra fine linen that's been adhered to the aluminum composite material that's called ACM. So the canvas itself is actually really smooth. It's an extra fine surface, which means that you're not going to see a lot of the mountaintops and valleys or the ridges in the canvas. And that's very important to me. I work in really detailed still life work or portraiture. I don't want a lot of that texture getting in the way visually of what's happening on the surface. So this is a great panel. It's a great alternative to what I used to use, what I learned on. What I learned on was a really extra fine portrait grade canvas, and I really liked it and I got super familiar with it. So that means that I could do a lot more because I knew exactly how my paint and my brushes were going to act on this surface. So when I was trying to find an alternative to it, I did a huge test of like 100 different canvases. And what it came down to was the fact that Artefex had literally the same canvas I was used to, but adhered to something more reliable, which was this aluminum composite material. It makes it very easy to cut down. It simply is a score and snap type of modification. So the rigid surface not only makes it easier to paint on, in my opinion, but it also makes it more archival, and that means my paintings are going to last for the long term. Definitely try out the other surfaces that they have to offer. If you don't like canvas, they also have acrylic options and also paper attached to the ACM. So there's a lot of variety, there's a lot of things that you can try out, and I highly recommend them. Happy painting!